Hi, my name is Alan Diwan. I'm the chef and owner of Kashmir Restaurant, Kashmir Indian Restaurant, Budapest. We are here on behalf of Expat Village. We're going to prepare a red snapper in a tandoori sauce. Now our fish has been marinating for about 2 hours, and we're going to take a pan and we're going to really heat it up, and we're going to add some couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil, and we want it nice and hot. And now we're going to add our fish, skin side down, to the hot pan. We'll just leave it to sizzle for a couple of minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. We'll leave it to sizzle on one of the sides. And we have a nice color of the fish. Now we're going to sear it on the other side for about 2 to 3 minutes as well. The fish was marinated in the tandoori sauce. If you have a tandoor, then you can really use this fish and put it in the tandoor. You can cut it into smaller chunks, and we put it on skewers, and then we put it in the tandoor. If you don't have a tandoor, you can really just pan fry it and put it in the oven, or just put it in the oven directly with some oil sprinkled over it. And then we're going to put it in the oven, nice hot oven, which is at about 150. The oven is at about 150 degrees, and we're going to leave it for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then the fish will be ready.